Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And today I'm going to share a craft using one of my favorite new dies, which is called the Tiny Gift Box die from Lawn Fawn. I have just fallen in love with this, done so many different projects. Earlier in the years we did a advent calendar, which we have a project sheet for, but this time today I'm going to show you how to use one of what they call the add-ons, which is a tiny little cat box, which I turned into a tiger because 2022 is Year of the Tiger. So sit back, enjoy, and we'll get started. First we have our tiny gift box, so I'm going to make that out of yellow. So I'm going to just get my cards out and I'm going to place it here like that, because that is what I'm going to need. I started out with a 12 by 12. I'm also going to need some black for my accents. So I have the blade part facing up, okay, and then I'm going to put this down. And what I'm going to do is, all I'm going to do is put it through. I got my box cut out, and I got my tail. Fold this up like so. And a lot of times when you're doing something, you might want to crease it twice. Now for this, I'm just going to use double stick tape, and we got our box together. So there's a little tab which makes it a little cutout, which makes it easy for you to open. And then we got these black pieces. Now these fit together kind of like a puzzle. Now you can use, tape or whatever. I'm just going to use some good old tacky glue. And now you can see my kitty cat is now my tiger. So like I said, there's different options. You can use the die part that has the hands instead of the stripes, and then you can tuck something in between the hands. Let's see how simple that was. You're going to put your tail here on the back, right here near where that place is to hold it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you learned a few tips to make your crafting a little bit easier. That's why we're here. I mean, I'm just an everyday crafter, and I want to learn from other people too, so I hope that you're inspired that if I can make it, so can you. And don't forget, you can get more ideas on different crafts, different sharing. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Joy of Crafting, and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So until the next time when we're crafting some more, happy crafting!